Military Occupational Specialty, Veterinary Food Inspection Specialist. Veterinary food inspectors provide food safety, quality assurance, and food defense, which is protection from unintentional or intentional contamination of food to all Department of Defense activities. Soldiers in this MOS inspect all food items to ensure that the health and welfare of military personnel, as well as the financial interests of the government, are protected. As a veterinary food inspection specialist, you will be at the forefront of food safety and defense. The Army will train you to work where food is received and to inspect food items for all terms of the contract, which includes examining each shipment and making sure it is exactly what the government ordered. Inspecting meats, fruits, and vegetables for freshness and checking for possible damage during transit. You will train to evaluate the label, packaging, and storage requirements and determine the condition of the product to meet the Department of Defense standards. Upon graduation, you will be assigned to a fixed facility or to a field unit and support your unit in humanitarian, peacekeeping, homeland security, and combat operations. You may also be assigned to a Marine Corps or naval installation where you may be deployed on a Navy vessel or at a civilian food supply and processing facility. In your duties, you will use food inspection equipment and your own natural senses to inspect food items for color, texture, smell, and taste. Your duties will also include selecting samples or conducting field laboratory testing. It is equally important to inspect for quantity as well as quality. This involves measuring the weight and counting the food individually or by the case. This process ensures the correct numbers of items are delivered and meet all contractual requirements. As a veterinary food inspection specialist, you will inspect and identify unsanitary conditions. You may also be required to help prepare food inspection information and report any nonconformance to those in authority. Serving in this MOS can help you transition from the military to the civilian sector. Your training, leadership, teamwork, and problem-solving skills are in demand by civilian employers and may help prepare you as a quality assurance specialist, health inspector, or food laboratory technician. The Veterinary Food Inspection Specialist contributes to the Army Medical Department's mission to conserve the fighting strength.